This lentil chili is a hearty and delicious vegetarian recipe that is perfect for a cold winter evening. Made with lentils, vegetables and a variety of spices, this chili is both filling, nutritious and has less than 300 calories per portion. Hi, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome to my high protein kitchen. In this video I am going to show you how to make a winner of a vegetarian lentil chili. Now if you follow a vegetarian diet or are simply trying to eat less meat, you'll know that unfortunately a lot of vegetarian chilies typically just use a meat substitute instead of beef mince. But I am not going to do that in this recipe. Instead, we're going to use plenty of red lentils and kidney beans to really boost the protein content of the dish. If you are cooking this in your household for people who do prefer eating meat, that is absolutely fine, and this recipe works really well as a side dish as well as a main meal. Anyway, let's get cooking. This is lentil chili.
Right, the first thing you want to do is peel and chop one large white onion. Do the same with a pepper. I'm using a green one because that's what I had in the fridge, but you can use yellow, green, orange, red, doesn't really matter. Just go for what's convenient and what you've got to hand. Once you've chopped them, pop them into a large pan with a little bit of olive oil and fry for a few minutes until they start to soften and the onion starts to turn translucent. If you're enjoying the video, please do hit that like button because it means you're more likely to be shown these videos in the future. Once you've done that, add your garlic to the pan. We're using about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and you want to fry that for a further 30 seconds to a minute. Once the vegetables are cooked, you're going to add 600 mils of vegetable stock along with your red lentils. Make sure you have rinsed these in water first and drain them and then add them to the pan after that. Then once you've added them to the pot, then pop in your kidney beans. You want to do the same with these. Make sure they are washed and rinsed and drained. Don't just put them straight in from the tin. Along with 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And finally, you want to add some chili powder. I use a teaspoon to keep it quite hot, but not overpowering, and 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning. If you don't have fajita seasoning, you could use a Cajun spice mix or some other kind of spice blend. Mix all of that through, and then you're going to put the lid on it and reduce it to a low temperature and cook for about 45 minutes. Don't just put the lid on and forget about it for 45 minutes. Check on it every now and again to give it a stir and add a splash more water if you need to, but just make sure you've still got a nice amount of sauce and the lentils are all cooked through. 45 minutes should be enough time. When it comes to serving, it goes really well with rice. I've not cooked any for this video, I'm just serving it as is, but for you guys cooking at home, it goes well with rice, some avocado, sour cream, whatever kind of garnishes you like to serve with chili. But in this video, I'm just using some chopped up coriander and some more sliced red chilies because it looks pretty and I really do like the extra heat from the chilies. But that is it. Hope you enjoy it. Let's test it.
So there we have it, delicious plate of vegetarian lentil chili. Very easy to make and it smells delicious. Thanks again for watching. If you're a new follower, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and also click that like button before you go because it means you're more likely to see these videos again in the future. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you later.